pagod for free. And of course, our sincere thanks to the Rural Health Unit for later on they will be administering the MPV vaccine for those for second dose for those who are vaccinated last year, grade 4. So MPV also adding yung reproductive system. Vaccine niya to prevent also diseases in the reproductive system of our female learners. Like for example, cervical cancers and so on, and the like. Again, your commitment to preventive care in helping us build a healthier, stronger generation of students, protected, prepared, and ready to face the future. Damo masalamat para initanan han Pinamuhan Elementary School. And of course, gusto ko liwat magpasalamat ng ating barangay council headed by our newly appointed punong barangay on bangko makapitan kaya natin kapitan at pinahan sanggunian bayan. So nag-iistorya ako kakulo kan Consul Jonas Senior and Junior. They will still continue to support our programs and projects. Amo ang ilang pagkapot. Sa ating lahat, mabuhay ang Pinamuhan Elementary School at mabuhay tayong lahat. Thank you, Sir Jay, for setting the tone for today's pre-code event. And to give us a short message of support, please join me in welcoming our very own Barangay Captain Honorable Melvin Decorta.
Pakai mo Papa G.
Justina Napoles, our division dentist, for a message.
Tanan, mga bisita, ginikanan, especially ang mga punong abala ng mga teachers, headed ng atong ma-update ng manasigong ng school principal, Mr. J. Rosales, ang mga non-teaching staff, especially kung mag-edel na every time busy sila please, walay, galing na akong di pwede. Salamat sa inyong alam. Ang barangay officials na magasig ang maabigay ang dapon. Mga estudyante, ang tanan, aan ng barangay Pinamuhan, maupay na araw ay nagpapasalamat ako hindi kayo na may kaokasyon para programa ng kalusugan. Because I believe a healthy body is a healthy mind. Ano pa na natin tingnan? mo makayan. Monkey pox virus. So, ikaw niya ha? Monkey ha? Oo. So, ikaw ay nakakahawa. So, ini nga sakit na last year for almost 4 weeks. So, matugay niya. Almost 4 weeks, meaning na usa ka bulan na nagawas for 21 days nagawas sa iya mga rashes. Puro pa niya siya measles. Pero ang impact na sa bagayahin, mas dako ang iya ang tawag ito, pantal, tapos tikit-tikit na bagayahin. So, dito. Then, sa vaccine na gihapon niya symptoms may fever, masakit ang lalamunan, mapuy-puy halawas, and then nanluluya, and then pananakit ng likod. So kung may nakakang simptomas ka sa ganito, isolate na lang. Pero kita maarap kung impact or sadya tindas lang. Ay kung tindas lang ano yung symptoms, ano yung nagawas na vaccination through prevention. Okay, so we have also our vaccination to fight against cervical or ovarian cancer. So we have grade 5 learners na yun na. Kaya ako na ito grade 4 dati. So HPV2 vaccination na at grade 5. Okay, so later ako na natin mga visitors from RHU and PHO and PH. So for now, at least na magpayungin hapon grade 1, grade 2, then kami ay natin ang result, then iayakan ang mga advisor mo na ang result kung ibahin na medicina, okay? So once again, thank you.
Tapak.
Thank you, Zach, for the informative discussion about impacts. And to guide us in our contest today, let us now proceed with the reading of criteria for the following activities. Bulayan booth by Mr. Ruben Igay, our ALS teacher. Poster making contest by Miss Cheryl B. Retorca, our grade 4 teacher. And slogan making contest by Mrs. Cherry Grace A. Retorca, our junior teacher.
Good morning, everyone. Ready na siguro. Okay, welcome to our nutrition month, and here is the criteria for judging for the nutrition board. Each group will be evaluated across 3 categories. First category, presence of growth, and glow. Second category, variety. Third category is presentation. First category, judges assess the representation of all 3 food groups. Growth for carbohydrates, growth for protein, glow for fruits and vegetables. In both displays, points are awarded based on the clarity and comprehensiveness of the representation of each group. A loss of each food group will result in point deductions. For variety, judges evaluate the variety of foods presented within each of the blue, fruit, and blue categories. A wide range of healthy options within each group earns higher score. 20 points. For 20%. This assesses the overall visual appeal, organization, and cleanliness of the food. Factors include visual appeal, organization, and cleanliness. 3 judges will independently evaluate each food. The total possible score for each food is 100 points. Thank you so much.
Guys, good morning. So, ada pa yung atubangan kaya kan atong programa hanggang kalimpyuhan tubig. So, ang atong tubig din pinangunguhan ang status is before kuan hiya contaminated with E. coli and aton old source. And then an aton new source contaminated hiya in coliform. But ang akong gingamit kasi na test kit is detection lang niya ng presence and absence of E. coli and coliform. It doesn't mean na ang atong tubig is not safe for drinking kasi meron ito hiya required standard and number